Stuck watching your subscriber count refuse to budge? No matter how much effort you pour into your videos, you're not alone. Countless creators hit this wall, unsure why their dreams of YouTube success seem just out of reach. Here's the truth. Channel growth always stalls for a reason, but it's rarely about luck and almost never about some hidden algorithm conspiracy. The most common pitfall is clarity. Ask yourself, can a brand new viewer look at your channel and instantly understand who you are and what they'll get? If your channel banner, thumbnails, or video topics feel scattered or generic, viewers move on. Your channel must promise something specific, so clarify your niche and your unique value in every title, description, and thumbnail. Consistency is next. Algorithms favor creators who show up on schedule. It's not about daily uploads. It's about reliability. Pick a pace you can sustain and stick to it. Consistent uploads train both viewers and YouTube's system to pay attention. But all the clarity and consistency means nothing if your content isn't connecting. Analyze your retention rate. Are people dropping off in the first minute? If so, tighten your intros. Deliver value fast. Hook viewers, then keep them engaged with storytelling, not just facts. Finally, don't forget engagement. Reply to comments, ask questions in your videos, and encourage viewers to interact. YouTube rewards creators who build communities, not just audiences. Growth starts when you address these basics. Clarify your channel's purpose. Commit to uploading consistently. Refine your content to engage, not just inform, and spark real conversations with your viewers. The path to growth is never a secret. It's about taking control, one deliberate action at a time.